Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introducing myself. My name is Adia Putri Rahmadani, NPM A1G021042. On this video, I would like to explain about descriptive text. First, definition of descriptive text. The purpose of descriptive text is to describe, express, and also describe a characteristic, be it object, animals, place, and others. Usually, descriptive text is characterized by the use of easy tense and focus on one object specifically. The object is then discussed again in more detail in the descriptive text. Descriptive text is also made without doing detailed research beforehand. So, the writer only needs to write a story based on what he saw and he read. The generic structure of descriptive text is first, identification. Identification is an introduction in the form of a general description of a topic. For example, my best friend is Nana. Cat is a lovely animal. Second, the description part. Description contains special characteristic posed by object, place, or how an object is described. For example, properties, physical appearance, and other things which are then written down specifically. Third is the characteristic of descriptive text. The characteristic of the descriptive text itself include first, verb use are attribute verb such as be, am, is, are. Second, the tense use is easy tense. And the last, only focus on one object only. Next is element of descriptive text. Descriptive text use noun or using specific principal nouns such as my cat, my swain, moment. In addition, often also use adjective to clarify the use of noun, such as a giant house, a sensible student, associate degree independent lady. Second, use simple tense. Using the basic verb or the first form or verb 1 and using the verb participle and using the verb principle can show the ownership or state of an object. Descriptive text use easy tense. For example, my workplace has 22 floors, or Aska is pretty, and others. Third, using action verb. Using the verb principle show an activity or activity the participle can see. For example, sleep, walk, sing, dance, and others. For figurative language, the text usually using a metaphor to illustrate to the reader. For example, my love for you is as massive because the ocean. Or my love for you is as wide as the ocean. Or her skin is as white because of the snow. Okay, that's all about descriptive text. Okay, next, I would like to explain about argumentative text. First, let's understand what is argumentative text. Argumentative is a text that explains and convinces the reader about the pro or agree and contra or disagree, which is often called the argumentative text. As the name implies, argumentative text contain controversial topic. for the public and current news in today's society. Second, the characteristic of argumentative text. The text can be said to be an argumentative text if it has the following characteristics. First, contains the author's opinion, view, or belief on a problem. Second, have factual data, is used to convince the reader. Third, describe a problem by analyzing and making an analogy. And the last, ends with a conclusion in the form of a broader opinion. Next is, in general, argumentative has a generic structure. Namely, first, it has a topic sentence. The topic sentence or main sentence must be in each paragraph. Likewise, in argumentative text, the main sentence must be present. The main sentence is a sentence that becomes the main idea or main problem that will be explained in the next sentence. Second, it has a supporting sentence for pro and supporting sentence for cons. Supporting sentence is a supporting support that explains the main sentence. Third, it has the conclusion. Each paragraph should close with a conclusion. For those of you who want to write an argumentative paragraph, the conclusion in the paragraph should not be forgotten. Okay, that's all about argumentative text. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.